my name is Nicole Peterson, and I'm the owner of Picket Fence Studios, and we have life-changing blending brushes that I'm going to demo for you real quick to show you how to use them. So we have a customer with me right now who also is going to use them. She's going to go ahead and start with the purple, and I'm going to start with a brown. So the way you do it is there's actually several ways you can hold the brushes. You can hold it like a toothbrush, literally, if you want a very light application. So you just ink it up. And I always like to tap off a little bit of it. And then you're going to start simply rolling your brush. Circling in a circular manner. You always want to do any type of blending in a circular manner. When you notice that your ink is running out, grab a little bit more, tap, tap, add it on. And the easiest way to get your best blend is always in layers. Okay, always, always. So here I have brown, and I'm gonna stay brown, sorry. When you're done, I'll switch with you when you're done with purple. Now, let's say you wanted a heavier hand, okay? You really want it to work. Our brushes are ergonomical. They're actually designed to fit a woman's hand, specifically my hand. So if you want to have it where it's a harder blend, you can start holding it by the head and you move on in a circular manner. And then grab a little bit more and continue to blend. And what's super cool is you see where those blemishes are? They can go away. You just focus and add more ink around it, and all those little blemishes will just disappear. Now this is a very dark color of brown, of purple, no, yes, brown. So let's say I wanted it even darker. I could start here and literally smash my brush and force the bristles to open up very wide. So if I wanted it to be super, super covered, I'm going to smash them. Now this is why, one of the things why our brushes work so well compared to other things. These brushes were purposely manufactured for ink. No other type of blending substance. And what we did is these are plastic hairs, okay? And there's thousands of plastic hairs, and we wanted the plastic hairs because plastic hairs will not absorb ink. So, you know, if you're using like a piece of foam, what does foam do? Suck everything up, right? Well, these will not, but they won't do that. They only will pick up enough ink, and then you can actually just wipe the ink off and move on to the same color family, but like a darker shade. So you can see how smooth and perfect that is, or I can continue to come back and finish this off. This is one of my favorite things, that I can go back and blend it out even after it's already dried. You know, I don't have to activate it. Now, I like to blend with more than one color. Do you want to trade? Sure. You do brown and I'll do purple. So we're going to trade. So I'm going to add some purple to this, even though that's a real purpley color. And I can go in and very, very simply, look how that is. See how easy that is?
Oh, yeah. No, not right now. Thank you.
I could just go in and add, see that purple that's going in there? Now the paper we're using is called Bristol, is Strathmore Bristol Smooth. This is my favorite paper. I consider it a mixed media paper, if you will. Now you can use it for anything, scrapbooking, card making. What's super cool about Bristol is it comes in large sizes. So if you're a scrapbooker, you can get a pad that is appropriate for a scrapbook. If you're doing some type of mixed media, you don't have to worry about it just being 9 by 12. It'll give you much, much more. So as you see, I can come in and blend more, and then if I like, I can even go back to the brown and add more brown to this. Cute.
And these will be shipping when, or are they available already?
They're available always.
All right.
They're available now, as well as forever.
Thank you, Nicole.
You're welcome. I hope